Infinity with region. In this video, we are discussing the problem related to the chapter surface area and volumes. Question. Two cubes of volume 64 centimeter cube are joined end to end. Find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. They have given what? They have given volume. Volume of a cube. Two cubes, correct? So let us draw two cubes. Let us name this A, B, C, D, sorry, C, D, E, F, G. Here also present, correct? H, I, J, K, L, correct? So they have given the volume of the two cubes. How much? That is 64 centimeter cube. Are joined end to end. They are joined like this, end to end. So this is the shape of a cuboid, correct? This resulting shape will be cuboid. Find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. We know the formula of a cube. What is that volume of a cube? That is nothing but A is equal to A cube. If A is length, breadth and height of the cube, then volume is equal to A cube, correct? So they have given B is equal to 64 centimeter cube. It means what is the formula? A cube is equal to 64 centimeter cube. Then A is equal to cube root of 64. That is A is equal to cube root of cube. What is that? Nothing but 64 cube. It is the 4 cube is nothing but 64, correct? So one side will be 4 centimeter, correct? A is equal to side of a cube, that is 4 centimeter. Here, what will be the resulting cuboid means? What will be the length? Length means A. Here we took length is L is equal to A, which is equal to 4 centimeter. Then breadth. Breadth also the same one, correct? See here, if this is the length, then this will be a breadth, correct? That one will be also A. Why? Because this is a cube, correct? So B is equal to breadth. B is equal to A, which is equal to 4 centimeter. What will be the height? Height it is changed. Why? Because we joined these cubes one by one, end to end, correct? So height will be become A plus A. That means 2A. Height will be 2A. 2 into 4, that is 8. So 8 centimeter. Next, we will apply the surface area formula of a cuboid. What is that formula? Surface, last class we have discussed surface area of cuboid, that is nothing but 2 into LB plus BH plus HL, correct? So what will be that? 2 into L into B means I will directly write 4 into 4, that is 16, plus again B into H. See here, B here 8 centimeter and B is 4 centimeter and H is 8 centimeter. So 4 into 8, that is 32, plus H into L, again 8 and 4, that is 32. What will be the answer? 32 plus 32, that is 64. 64 plus 16, 670 plus 110, that is 8. So 80. 80 2s are, that is 160. Nothing but 160. Here surface area, that's why centimeter square, because here they took the volume in centimeter, so unit will be in centimeter square. Area will be surface area for that resulting cuboid is 160 centimeter. So what and all you have done? You have first applied they have given the volume, that's why you apply the volume formula and for a cube, and you found out that the side of a cube. Then you found out the resulting length, breadth and height of the cuboid, and you apply the formula of a surface area of a cuboid, you written the formula and applied the values, and we got area is equal to 160 centimeter square. I hope you understood this problem. If you have any doubts, please put on comment section related to this chapter. If you have any doubt, please put on comment section. Thank you.